Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your US bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or any devices you're using. Then enter the URL usbank.com. So once you get into this website, click on the login button at the top right. After that, you'll be headed to this page and you'll need to enter your user ID and password that you use to log into your US bank account. So enter your user ID and password. So once you enter your information, you can click on login to login. So once you enter your information, you can click on the login in order to log into your US bank account. Or if you do not have an account, you can click on new user to create one. Or if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on forgot ID or forgot password. Once you enter all your information, click on login and you'll be logged into your US bank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your US bank account. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. See you in the next video.